Hello everyone, this is Meena Kumari from DVC Engineering College. I am going to explain about arithmetic instructions present in 8051 microcontroller. You know that arithmetic instructions, arithmetic itself means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and also we can see increment and decrement operations. Okay, the first one is the addition operation. How many types of addition? How addition can be done in different ways. The first example is that addition is done directly with the immediate data, and the data is directly given in the instruction. If you see the example, add a comma 25 hash 25h. Here hash represents the 25 is the value, not an address. By adding those two values, a plus 25, we get result. That result is saved into the accumulator A. Okay, that means the result will be stored into the A register. Next, here addition between the accumulator and register. Register might be range in the R0 to R7. So in this example, I have taken the register R0. Here adding the A register with R0 value, and then result is saved into the A register. Next one, the next example is addition with address. Here data is not given in the instruction directly. Address of the data is given. Here one operand is A and next operand is present at the location 25h. If you see the example, add add a comma 25h. 25h is the address. At that address, the second value is present. So after adding those two values and after adding accumulator with the value present at 25 location, we get the result. The result is saved into the accumulator. Next one, add a comma at the rate rp. That means here we are adding a value with the value pointed by the register. Here at the rate is present. That means whatever the value present in rp is not a value. It's actually an address of the second value. Okay, and now adding a value with the value, the value is pointed by the register R0 and the result is saved into the A register. R0 contains the address, not the value. Next, we can see the instruction. Until now we perform only addition without carry. Now the next instruction is addition including carry, and carry is also added. If you see the instruction, addition with carry a comma hash 25h, as a 25 value is directly given in the instruction and hash is present, that is the data, not the address. We can say that a value is added with the value 25 and also carry flag is also added. After adding all these three values, the result is saved into the accumulator register. Okay, next coming to addition with carry. Addition with carry between a register and accumulator. Everything will be same, just like ADD, but only the difference is here we are adding the carry. If you see the example, ADDC a comma R0, both the values are added. A value and R0 value both are added, and also carry flag is also added, and the result will be saved into the accumulator. The next one is ADDC a comma ADDR. It is also simple. Here the address of the operand is given. We are adding the values A and the value present at the location and also carry flag, and the result will be saved into the accumulator. The next one is here address of the operand. Address of the operand is given by the register RP. Here I have taken the register R0. Here the second operand address is given by the R0. We are adding the values A and the value present at the location, and that location is given by the R0, and then adding the carry flag. Next, coming to subtraction, here we have only SUBB. There is no SUB in 8051 microcontroller. It is subtract with borrow. Okay, here subtracting between the value present in accumulator and the immediate value. Hash represents it is the value, as the value is given directly in the instruction, so it is the immediate addressing mode. If you see the example, SUBB a comma hash 25h, we are subtracting a minus 25h, and also carry flag. Here borrow is nothing but carry flag only. For borrow, for addition carry, both will be only carry flag only. Okay, here subtracting a minus 25h minus carry flag, and the result will be saved into the accumulator. Everything will be same, but here subtraction will be done. Next one, subtraction between the accumulator and the register. Here I am taken in the example R0, a minus R0 and minus carry flag, and the result will be saved into the accumulator. Next one is address. Here address of the operand is given. We are subtracting not a minus 25, a minus the value present at the address 25 and then carry flag. and the result will be saved into the accumulator. Next one, subtract a comma at the rate rp. Here value is pointed by the location given by the rp register. Here I am taking example r0, subtracting a minus r0. A square brackets indicates that the value present at the location r0. If you remove square brackets, that r0 have some value, that value is subtracted. Okay, we are subtracting the value present at the location, so we have to place square brackets. Here r0 have the address, not the data, remember, minus carry flag. Result will be saved into the accumulator. Next one is addition operation is done. Addition operations are over, subtraction is over. Next one, increment a. Here incrementing the value, increment a, and here whatever the value present in accumulator, that will be incremented by 1. Increments the value of register and stores the result in a register. Next, incrementing the RR. Here increments the value of RAM register, and whatever the value present in R0 register, that value is incremented. Again, after incremented, the value is again saved into the register R0. Next one, increment address, ADDR. In this what actually happened, see the example, incremented 25H. When you perform this operation, you may think that the value is 26H, not 26H. Here it increments the value present at the location 25. So what are the, suppose the value present at 25 location is 4. If you execute this instruction, then the result becomes 5, and that 5 value is saved into the location 25. Okay, increments the contents of memory address and stores the result back in the same location. Next one, increment at the rate rp. Here in the above instruction, address is given directly. Here 25H address is given by the register rp, and that means address is not given directly, address is mentioned in the register. If you perform this instruction, if you execute this instruction, increment at the rate rp, here I am taking example R0. Whatever the value present at the location, and that location is given by the register R0, is incremented by 1, and then again result is saved into the register, saved into the same memory location. Okay. Next, increment DPTR. Increment DPTR means increments a 16-bit value of DPTR register and stores the result in the DPTR. Next, decrement A. It is also similar. Decrement operations are also similar to the increment operation. In decrement operation, we decrement the value present in that register. Okay, decrements A. That means it decrements the value of A register, stores the result in the A register. Next, coming to decrement RR. Here, whatever the value present in register, that value will be decremented by 1. Again, the result will be saved into the same register. Here I am taking the example decrement R0. Suppose R0 have the value 4. If you perform this operation, now the value R0 becomes 3. And then the 3 value is again stored into the register R0 only. Next, decrement ADDR. Whatever the value present at this address, that value is decremented, and again that value is saved into the same memory location. Suppose in this example, decrement 25H. Suppose 25H is the address. At that address I have stored the value 3. After performing this operation, the value stored at 25 location becomes 2. Decrements the contents of memory address and stores the result back in the same location. Next one, decrement at the rate rp. Here the rp at the rate is present. At the rate present means here rp have address, not the value. So whatever the value present at the address, that address is given by the register rp, is decremented by 1, and again that result is stored into the same address location. Decrements the contents of memory location pointed by R0. Next, addition is over, subtraction is over, increment, decrement operations are over. Next one is the multiplication. Mul A B. Okay, mul A comma B. This means the content of A is multiplied with B, and again the result will be stored into the register B and A. That means A register contains the lower byte of the result, B register contains the higher byte of the result. After multiplying these two values, we may get the result, and the result is saved into the registers BA. Okay, next one, division AB. div AB. That means A by B. A by B. We may get two results, remainder and quotient. Quotient will be saved into the register A, remainder will be saved into the register B. Okay. Thank you.